Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Let's talk pasta. One of my favorite things in the world. Garlicky, cheesy, full of herbs, so fresh, so light, and so crazy easy to make this on the Blackstone. So when someone sent me the TikTok trend for feta tomato pasta, I thought this is something that I want to challenge myself to making in the Blackstone Air Fryer. Can't wait to show you guys how you can make this one at home. Before we start, be sure to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel. You know the drill, click the bell, grab some feta, some fresh tomatoes and herbs, and let's make some pasta. To start this, we're going to make our own seasoning blend that we're going to use to season not only our pasta and our feta and our tomatoes, but this is going to season and flavor our shrimp too. We have some crushed red pepper, dried parsley, celery seed, black pepper. We have a lot of minced dried onion and garlic. And then we have some oregano and basil, a little bit of salt, sugar, and some fennel. We're gonna drop down our tomatoes into this roasting pan and toss them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and some of that seasoning blend that we made. Give that a nice toss, and then we're gonna stick our piece of feta cheese right in the center of these tomatoes on top of them. You could break up your feta cheese if you wanted to, or leave it whole, however it fits in your pan. And then just season your cheese up with a little bit more of that dry seasoning blend and another drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. I've preheated my Blackstone Air Fryer somewhere between medium and high heat. While our feta and tomatoes cook, we're gonna start on our shrimp. We're gonna season these up with some fresh garlic and some of our seasoning blend that we made. I have 4 garlic cloves. I'm going to chop 2 up, slide them to the side, and save them to finish off our pasta at the end, as you will see when we get to that. The other 2 I'm going to chop up, and these are going right into a little bowl with about a tablespoon of our seasoning blend and some olive oil. We're going to mix this together and then coat our shrimp in this garlicky, delicious, herby mixture. Now that our shrimp are ready, let's preheat our Blackstone to medium high heat. We want a quick sear on these shrimp when we drop them down. They're going to take no time at all, about 2 minutes per side. Our shrimp have gone for 2 minutes, so let's give them a flip. Let's give our tomatoes and cheese a little peek and see how they are doing. As you can see, our tomatoes are nice and split open. We're gonna let that cheese and tomato go for another 5 minutes before we check it again. Let's pull our shrimp off and let them rest. Now that our tomatoes and cheese is done and cooked through, let's pull it out. Now comes the fun part. Let's add our 2 fresh garlic cloves that we minced up and set aside. We're gonna drizzle those over the top, and then we get to mix and mash. Just start mixing that melty cheese with those tomatoes. Let's slide that to the side and grab a big mixing bowl to mix this through. I've already boiled 1 pound of pasta. I went with the bow ties or the butterflies. Get every inch of that cheese and tomato mixture, that sauce that we made, and drizzle it all in. Give that a good mix, and let's slide that to the side while we grab our fresh basil and parsley. We're gonna chop this up just roughly. Finish off our pasta with a nice toss of those fresh herbs, and then let's grab a nice serving platter and plate this up, because I cannot wait to get into this. Look how much pasta we have. This is gorgeous. This couldn't be any easier. You could easily double the recipe using 2 air fryer drawers and 2 pounds of pasta. If you want to make it more cheesy, go for more cheese. If you want to make it have more tomatoes, go for more tomatoes. I know my family is gonna love this pasta, and I cannot wait to let them taste some. Before I do, I'm gonna enjoy some by myself with these beautiful shrimp on the side to go with this to make it a complete dinner. It really is so delicious. I hope you guys give this one a try. If you do make it, be sure to post a picture and tag Blackstone products, tag Blackstone Betty. I can't wait to see you guys enjoying this. So go make it, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button, click that bell. That way you guys don't miss these recipes. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video. It is so, so, so good.